The Seedmilk, the seed juicer, and we started doing Seedmilk in the morning with a banana with skinny coconut oil, which isn't bleached or cut with other oils, and we felt so much energy. We didn't need to eat. Paul especially, who's a big food guy, loves to eat. He's like, I'm still eating. He's not snacking as much, and not only that, but we want healthy stuff. I have a sugar addiction, and it's choking it off. It really is. Everything is kind of getting better, but I've lost 15 pounds. That's from being kind of, at a plateau for many years. I have a lot of energy, but it's the elimination that's phenomenal. It's the elimination that's phenomenal, and so now we've changed it. I don't need it every day. I'm doing it 3 times a week at night because this is pre-digested food. So my stomach isn't working. My organs are still resting. I think.
Right.
I'm not positive, but I think, and I'm waking up just with it out of the way and done. And I'm really a big believer.
It's made a difference in Paul. His skin looks so nice.
Well, Paul's, I really haven't paid attention to his skin, but his everything about him, he loves it. He's so easy, and it definitely gives you energy. So it's protein, but it's digested protein. So it's very simple, and I love the idea of taking what's left, the scraps, and giving it to the birds and the squirrels and the wildlife along the canal and McCormick Canal. I just take it and dump it. I give it to dogs because it's good roughage. I put it in their dog food, mix it up. It's a secret, a top secret, wonderful food.
That's awesome. Thanks.
Sure.